So my page is hosted locally, as can be seen here. Going by the specification 1, I have 3 pages, which this is the main index.html page, and then I have the Google Images page, and I also have the advanced search page. On the Google Images page, there are 2 links at the upper right where you can navigate to either the Google Images page or the advanced search page. Let's test that. I click on this, it takes me to the Google Images page. On the Google Images page, as you can see, on the Google Images page here, as you can see, I have a single link that helps at the upper right that navigates to the Google search page. Then this is my Google search page again. I also have the advanced search link, which I can click and it takes me to the advanced search. And also on the advanced search page, I have at the upper right a single link that takes me back to my Google search page. That defines the specification 1. For specification 2, the query text, here a user can input any query search text, and on the click of the search button, it will take the user to the main Google search page. So my search text here is EndSARS. When I input that and I click on my Google search, it takes me to the main Google search result for the inputted text, as can be seen here. And I will get back to my main Google search page. That's for specification 2. Now on specification 3, query images. I go to Google Images page. On the Google Images page, a user should be able to input any search text, and then it will take them to the Google search result, Google image search result for that text. I click on the search button here for the Google Images, and as you can see, my page is navigated to the Google search image search page for the imputed query. And navigate back. So that's specification 3. For specification 4, I go back to the Google search page. Specification 4 talks about the advanced search. I click on the advanced search button. It takes me to the advanced search page. And you can see that on the advanced search, I am able to perform searches for all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words, as was specified there. And then based on the specification 5, appearance, like Google's own advanced search page, all the 4 options are stacked, the 4 input fields and the labels are stacked vertically on the page, and the text fields are aligned to the left of the page, and the advanced search button is blue background with white text in it. So my page, my advanced search page, like all the other pages, aligns with the main page of Google. And I can test it out with the behavior, how it performs. If I input EndSARS as a search criteria, I click on advanced search, it takes me to the search page, as can be seen here. I go back, I input the same thing for this exact word or phrase. Notice the difference. For this search, Google quotes the inputted text and gives me the same result, the result. And then I click on any of these words, I input a search text for it, I click advanced search, it performs an OR search for me, as is consistent, and it's consistent with the Google's own advanced search behavior. Then I do the same thing for none of these words, and it performs a negated search for me, as can be seen here also. So I go back to my page. So my page aligns with the specification 5. I go back to my main Google search page, and I want to test out my I'm feeling lucky button. I input EndSARS as my search criteria also here, and then I click I'm feeling lucky. Consistent with Google's own specification, it takes me to the first search result of first page result for my search. As you can see here, it redirects me to that page. I go back to my main Google search, and as you can see, the aesthetics of my entire page from the Google search main page is consistent with that of Google. The search bar is centered and with rounded corners. My search button is beneath the search bar and is centered also. Same thing with I'm feeling lucky button. Same thing with the Google Images page. My search bar is centered. And same thing with the advanced search button. My input fields are aligned to the left, stacked vertically. The button is blue background and white text, and everything is consistent.